What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Roller?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. And Zach, what's up? First, did you buy Mega Million tonight worth $830 million? No, I did not. Maybe I should, though. That's definitely a lot of money. That's one of the biggest prizes, I think. I think it's been over $1 billion 2 times. So, probably not. But maybe I'll buy one just for fun. Why not? You never know, right? But hey, hoping you win, low roller. $830 million bucks. How many did you buy? Microsoft Go. Did the earnings just come out? And Google beat as usual. All right, we can check those. We can check those out real quick. I'm a little behind on TD, so let me check LBKR real quick. So Microsoft, yeah, Microsoft pulled back quite a bit, or it's pulling back quite a bit here. 247 in the aftermarket. And Google is it's up a little bit. Up 1% right now. 1.4%. So I guess we could take a look at those earnings. Once we switch the scene here. See how they did. But yeah, it looks like Microsoft not doing too good, and Google slightly in the green here. So thanks for that, Zach. You better buy one ticket being smart. Well, you know, mathematically, it's a losing play over time to play Mega Millions. But if you do hit, it's like options. If you do hit, you know, you're going to print some tendies. But yeah, why not? Maybe I'll buy one FD lotto ticket. Why not? $2, right? It used to be $1, I think. What up, Punk Skater? What's up, dude? And Ken, what's up? Big green candles on Google. Yeah, you guys are talking about Google right now. So we can take a look at those earnings real quick. And I think Microsoft too. Google up 4%. Yeah, 4%. Maybe 4% since the aftermarket, since closing, but it's up about 2% here in total, 1.5%. So I think 4% since closing, I think you mean. Yeah, we'll check those out in a second here. Microsoft poop. Yeah, Microsoft's, Apple's been doing pretty good. Microsoft not too much, but Google's always doing pretty good. Will my IMPP go to 1 tomorrow after PR? I hope so, dude. Don't count on it. That's quite a ways to go up to 1. But I think it did do pretty well today, IMPP, and all the oil stocks. So congrats to you there. And I don't even know about any PR. So hopefully, I hope so. For your sake, good luck to you. But 1 seems a bit, you know, bit optimistic. But I sure hope so, dude. I got Mega Millions news today. All right, got you, dude. All right, so appreciate everyone for being here nice and early. Please smash the like button. And yeah, so today is Tuesday, July 26th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we are doing the show from Raw-Ministan. That is because everything in the red today. All major indexes, crypto in the red, everything a bloodbath today. Which was pretty expected. But, you know, I was hoping maybe it wouldn't happen. But, yeah, everything major bloodbath. And it probably is going to continue throughout the whole week. Possibly, you know, in the weeks to come as well. But regardless, got a great show for you guys today. Probably going to be a longer show than usual. Yesterday was a shorter show than usual. Actually, yesterday was like an hour and a half. It wasn't too bad. Pretty average. But, yeah, today we're probably going to go about 2 hours. Because we do have quite a bit of content to cover. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Today I got 5 articles, plus anything the roller wants to add, or anyone else wants to add. But one about Tether and Celsius. More news about Celsius. One about an ICO fraud. CEO's getting in trouble. TBIS. Never heard of it, but that was some pretty interesting news, so we'll get to that. ICO fraud. We got some news about the Central African Republic. So we did cover them a couple times before because they did legalize Bitcoin, but they starting to sell their own national crypto. So we'll get to that. We got one article about Coinbase and the SEC investigating them, so that's not good. Coinbase is getting wrecked because of that. So 4 crypto articles and 1 article about Credit Suisse and the CEO. They have not been doing too good lately. And then today for the TA, for the analysis, we're going to be doing 2 stocks, XELA, Exela Technologies. That one got absolutely wrecked today. Reverse split, down 40%, I think, so we'll get to that. 10,000 mentions. And then BBIG, which we haven't covered in a little bit. But got some big news coming out of there, BBIG. And that did also make StockTwits, I think, number 4 or something, 4,000 mentions, so we'll cover that as well. We got some honorable mentions. Let's see here. So we got some honorable mentions in Mullen. Oh yeah, Mullen. So, I mean, we could have talked about Mullen. That was down 13%. They had their shareholder meeting today. The CEO did not show up, of course. So we could have done Mullen as well. But yeah, I really don't like talking about Mullen anymore. It is a cult. If you say anything bad, they're out to delete you. They almost tried to cancel me last time. So, yeah, honorable mention Mullen. Maybe we'll talk about it in the near future, but, you know, I try to avoid talking about Mullen when I can. Probably going back down to 60 cents. Other honorable mentions, GOVX. That was up 10% today. Still squeezing. We may cover that in the near future. Redbox, which we're not going to talk about today, but we did talk about it yesterday, and I still did not do the video. So I have a lot of work to do tonight. These 2 videos, XELA, BBIG, and then have to do the Redbox video from yesterday. And then SNDL, Sundial Growers. I don't know why that's down so much, 23%. I think they reverse split. And SIGA, Saiga Technologies. That one was up 11%. So a lot of honorable mentions here. Mullen, GOVX, Redbox, Sundial, SIGA. A lot of price action today. But yeah, we're only going to cover 2 today, the biggest ones, XELA and BBIG. And then we'll get to the Yolos, and we have a lot of good Yolos today. Not so many memes, a lot of lost corn, and some gain corn as well, but mostly lost corn. So yeah, guys, there's quite a bit of content to cover today. A lot of stuff. 5 articles, plus any you guys got, 2 TAs, and good amount of Yolos. So yeah, today we should go at least 2 hours. Hopefully not too much longer than 2 hours, but, you know, a lot of stuff to cover. So, and it looks like there's a decent amount of people in here already, and I expect more people to show up later. So, yeah, we're probably going to go 2 hours, maybe a little longer, but we'll try to keep it around 2 hours today. But yeah, good stuff for you guys today. Great show. PGY exploded today. We'll take a look at that. I didn't see that today, but we'll take a look once we switch to the screen here. Kroger Guy deleted one of his videos since he is afraid to get fired. Kroger Guy got his wish having living wage. He is now complaining he can't find his own employees. He's just another sellout dude since he got money. You should tell him that. Call him out. Yeah. Well, not surprised at all. You know, just like all these other, I don't want to generalize, but, you know, like Gen Z, millennial Gen Z, people like my age and younger, very entitled. You get what you want, and then you just, you know, you give them an inch, they want a mile. So you give him what you want, and now he wants even more. He's going to complain no matter what, so. Oh well. Whatever. What you going to do? Microsoft coming back. Chipotle also trying to pop up. All right, we'll take a look at those. Microsoft, Google, PGY, Chipotle, all that stuff. Visa earnings pumping. All right, Visa too. And then Low Roller has some articles for us. All right, we'll get to that. Zach says the rally is highly resuming. What rally? The general rally? We'll see. Tomorrow we got Fed. The Fed was it the minutes tomorrow? I don't know if it's the minutes, but the Fed is meeting tomorrow, and there might be another rate hike. We'll see. What up, Brucey? What up, Wilson? And what up, B-Flam? What's up, guys?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, everyone. Appreciate you guys as always. So, yeah, a lot of people in here nice and early. Appreciate everyone. Please smash that like button if you haven't yet, guys. Brucey says what? I mean, he says woot. Woot what? Because everything was red today, unless you had puts. Sounds like you're happy about something, so shout out to you, Brucey. Starting to pack for tomorrow. Is that tomorrow? Your vacation, Wilson? Alright, have fun, dude. Sucks, probably not going to be able to catch the show while you're gone, but yeah, have fun, dude. Wondering if I missed Google, was waiting for 99 to 95 pullback. Yeah, we'll check out Google in a second here, because apparently they got some good earnings. But yeah, we'll get to that one in a second, and I'll give you my opinion on that. I got TikTok news. Careful you post on social media. All right, well, yeah, we'll get to that as well. Got your link, dude. FOMC rate hike tomorrow, 75 or 100 basis points. Jay Powell talking. Yeah. Probably 75, maybe 100. But it was just not so long ago, right? A couple months ago. Well, you're not going over 50, and then 75. And then he did his 75 last time. And then now, possibly 100. Now it's not soft landing anymore. It's soft-ish landing. I love how he changes the language. See, he doesn't say soft landing anymore. It used to be soft landing. Now he said soft-ish landing. What the hell does that mean? Soft-ish landing? Oh, well. Yeah, I'm just going on a rant here. Do you collect sports cards or Pokemon cards? They have huge sports cards in Atlantic City this week. You can sell all your Pokemon cards and sports cards in the National. No, I'm not really much of a sports or Pokemon collector. I used to play Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh! I'm sure I have, like, some pretty decent stuff. But collecting, no, I'm not really into that. And Atlantic City, pretty far from where I live. It's like 3 or 4 hours. And it is kind of a dump now. There's like 2 hotels left that are actually good. 100 basis points will make the markets go burr. Yeah, because nothing makes sense anymore, right? I don't know. It seems kind of priced in. I think everyone's kind of expecting it. So I think 75 would definitely make it go burr, although it's not supposed to. 100. You know what? I think everything's priced in. Just my opinion, though. I think everything's already priced in. We'll see, though. Huge sports card show in the Atlantic City this week. Yeah, like I said, I'm not really into that, but maybe we'll see some ridiculous numbers. Something going to sell for like 10 million. LeBron James rookie card or something. I don't know. All right, guys. So a lot of people in here nice and early. Appreciate everyone. We have a lot to get to. So stay tuned for that. Let's get started here, guys. And before we begin, please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right. Wilson says he's still got lots of baseball cards in the 90s. The 90s? Those could be worth a lot of money now, dude. May want to go through them and see if you have anything good. The 90s, maybe you got like a Derek Jeter rookie card or something. Okay. Let me check YouTube real quick. Wow, we're at 11 viewers, 8 likes. A lot of people in here nice and early. So appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, so shout out to all the regulars and all the lurkers there. And please smash that like button if you haven't yet, guys. If SPY breaks 390 support down to 380 gap, we go where? Down or up? Yeah, I still think we're coming down to 370. We got some pretty different opinions here in the community, but yeah, it's looking like a head and shoulders. You see it? Shoulder, head, another shoulder incoming, and then go from there. Could be at least, but looks like a head and shoulders forming. And yeah, double gap down to fill. So, yeah. I'm certainly not complaining about the rally, but I think we're due for some pretty big pullback, personally. Maybe I'm just a permanent rainbow bear, but I'm not convinced at all. And I think we're going to pull back quite a bit. Most sports cards in the 1990s are junk cards since they print billions of cards in 1990. Alright, I have really no idea. Well, that has to be something valuable from that era. That's the best, when you used to, like, have these things for fun, randomly, and then they're actually worth a lot of money. Because I think, I did have some good Pokemon, or Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I had some, like, first or second edition cards. And then Pokemon. I think most of my valuable stuff is Yu-Gi-Oh. Didn't really have too many, good Pokemon stuff, but I had a lot of Yu-Gi-Oh stuff. Anyway, let's, get, what are we looking at? Microsoft, Google, PGY. Microsoft, Google, PGY, I think. Yes. Okay. So it was 420. Missed it. But yeah, Make-A-Wish, guys. 421 now. So yeah, Microsoft pulling back here. Couple percent in the aftermarket. So EPS $2.23, missed the estimate, $2.29 of $2.29. So slight EPS miss there. Revenue was $51.9 billion, which missed the revenue of $52.3 billion. Missed the estimate of $32.3 billion. So yeah, revenue and EPS miss. So bad earnings. I don't know if they posted guidance. Don't really see guidance here. But yeah, Microsoft, not good earnings. Got some misses there. So it is pulling back. Check out Google real quick. Google is going up here. So Google EPS $1.21, missed the estimate of $1.29, and revenue was $69.7 billion, missed the estimate of $69.8 billion. So actually Google missed on, yeah, Google missed EPS and revenue. So that's kind of weird why this is going up in the aftermarket. Do they have good guidance or something? What's up? Yeah, that's pretty weird. I don't know. They actually did not have good earnings, but it's going up. And I don't really see anything about guidance. So that's really weird. But Google, usually does do good. So, yeah, that just goes to show. Anything can happen. During earnings. You can miss earnings, your stock goes up. You can miss earnings, your stock goes down. You can meet or you can outperform earnings, your stock goes down. You can outperform earnings, stock goes up. So anything happens during earnings. But yeah, Google and Microsoft both missed. But for whatever reason, Microsoft's going down, Google's going up. Gil Wasserman. Zach says, yeah, I don't think Zach said Google did beat. He just said Google is doing good here after earnings. Oh, he did say it beat. Yeah, Google did not beat, but it's going up for whatever reason. I think he just assumed it beat because it's going up. But yeah, shout out to you. Shout out to you, Gil. I don't think I've seen you here before. So welcome to the show and the community. What else are we looking at? Chipotle. Alright, so Chipotle earnings. So we're looking at a lot of earnings here. Chipotle earnings. EPS 930 beat the 905 estimate. Revenue 2.21 billion missed the 2.24 billion dollar estimate. So pretty average earnings here on Chipotle. EPS beat, revenue miss, but this is actually going down quite a bit in the aftermarket. Yeah, so okay, Chipotle earnings, that's going down. And what else are we looking at? Oh. And then, PGY. But someone asked me about Google before. Forgot who it was. B-Flam asked about Google. Let's see. What did he say? Wondering if I missed Google. Was waiting for 99 to 95 pullback. No, you didn't miss it, dude. So, I don't know if it's going to come back down to, what did you say? 99 to 95? Yeah, I don't know if it's coming back down there. Possible. But this should come back down to, like 107, 108, 107-ish. Because it's going to create a gap at like 107.6. We'll just call it 108. So, yeah, B-Flam. I would say no, you didn't miss it. It's probably going to pull back a little bit here. But I'm not quite sure if it's going to come back down below 100. So, I think anything below 108 really is pretty good entry. So, no, I don't think you missed it yet. It's still a pretty good entry for the long term. Really bullish. And, yeah, I don't know if it's coming back below 100, dude. So, I'd say anything 108 and lower is a pretty good entry. Hope that answers your question. Sports cards are now turning into gambling since people are paying $500 per team each sports card break. Really? I thought there was like a big thing about Pokemon and sports cards and then not so much anymore. But maybe now it's a bull market again. Wow, Low Roller has a bunch of stuff for us. Alright guys, so let's get on to the watch list here. Not going to spend too much time in this. We're already about half hour in. Big difference from yesterday. Yesterday, we're already done with the news in half hour. Here, we didn't even get started with the watch list. That's cool. A lot of people in here today. You're welcome, B-Flame. All right, let's do the watch list. So oh, one more. My bad. PGY. %. Wow. Yeah, so be careful because this is an ICO or IPO. And it is, 77 RSI right now. So, yeah, big gain here today. Just be careful with this stuff. Really no reason either. So, yeah. So be careful, Punk Skater. I'd look to take profits pretty soon if you're in this. Okay. So the Dow Jones down 0.71%, NASDAQ down 1.96%, and the S&P down 1.15%.
And it's gone.
Yeah, so all major indexes in the red here. Pretty bad day. Pretty bad. VIX is up 5.69%, up 1.33 points. So we're at 24.69 VIX now. Almost 25. Not great. Wrong direction. This was a pretty big gain on the VIX today. Pretty nasty. So, can't say I'm surprised. I did expect a little bit of a pullback. Actually, a big pullback. I don't think we're even close to done yet. So, yeah, it was too good to be true. And, you know, I don't have a crystal ball or anything, but I do suspect, I'm speculating that next few weeks is going to go red. Not going to be pretty. All right, onto the watch list. PGY short squeeze. Not exactly sure. Let me double check after we're done with the watch list here. So I'll start on the green side because not much in the green. These percent changes are not real. XELA did not go up 1,200%. Sundial did not go up 666%. Although that's kind of a bad sign, isn't it? They only say that because they reverse split. But we're going to cover XELA today first and Sundial honorable mention. But yeah, we got IMPP, 14.6%. Big gain there. Red box, 14%. That's back up to 6. Wow. Yeah, so I got to get the red box video out. Yesterday's red box video. McDonald's, 3%, 2.7. Pretty big day there. I think they had earnings. Novavax, Coke, Pepsi, Silver. J&J, Alibaba, Verizon, Walgreens, Twitter, and Honda. That's it. Oh, not Honda, Honeywell, my bad. That's it on the green side. Not much in the green here. Just a few select memes that are squeezing, and some random value stocks. McDonald's, Coke, Pepsi, Pfizer, J&G, Alibaba. I don't know why. Twitter. But yeah, really not much in the green today. Onto the red side. So, yeah, a lot of memes here getting wrecked. Costs down 25%. I think that did go up quite a bit lately, though. I think that was squeezing. Coinbase down 21%, which we'll get to in a second. Got an article about Coinbase. There's a reason as to why that is. BBIG 21%. We will cover that. Do TA on BBIG after XELA. Mullen, honorable mention. I'm not going to talk about it today, but a lot of drama there. Shareholder meeting. I think they approved their dilution. So yeah, not going to cover it today, but honorable mention. Mullen down 14%. Sorry, guys. All right. Marathon down 12.6%. Yeah, crypto's getting wrecked. MicroStrategy 10.6. Peloton 9%. Wish 8.6. TBLT is pulling back, down another 8%. Roku, BitNow, Walmart getting wrecked. We covered that yesterday, or we talked about it. Down 7.6%. Yeah, we got Square, Riot, AMC, GOEV. A lot of growth here. I don't see too much value yet. DraftKings. Oh, Amazon. Amazon's down 5%. What the hell? That's pretty bad. What happened there? Got Robinhood, SoFi, Paramount, GME, Tilray, Meta, Beam Index. Nike down 4%. Target 3.6. Tesla 3.6. This is pretty bad. GM 3.4. Costco 3.3. Snapchat keeps pulling back. Nvidia 3%. Disney 3%. Microsoft, AMD about 3%. Google, American Express, Ford, Netflix. Got JP Morgan, Starbucks. And then a bunch of value down here. Chipotle, Apple, Chevron, Boeing. Yeah, so for the most part, well, there is a good amount of value and growth on the red side here. So yeah, this was really bad, really bearish day. But definitely the worst stocks getting hit today are growth and memes, and not memes, growth and tech. A lot of value tech really got hit today. But yeah, overall this is really nasty all around. Growth and value, everything in the red today. So that's pretty unfortunate. So we got two red days to start here to start the week. Not a great start to the week, and potentially more red coming tomorrow because the Fed is talking. Punk Skater says he agrees more red to come. Zach says PGY looks like it's gonna moon. Yeah, we'll check that out right now. What up, Beelzebub? What's up? Mullen had lots of volume today, but went down lots. Is that a bear trap? Not necessarily. It's not a bear trap. I mean, it could be, but no, they had it's just bearish. I don't know if you followed, but they did have a shareholder meeting today, and this is just based on what I read and what you guys in the community have told me. They had a shareholder meeting. The CEO did not show up. They were supposed to talk about their Fortune 500 company. That's delayed until August now. You know, they're still teasing that. Now it's August. We're going to reveal the Fortune 500 company. They approved dilution. So, it could be a bear trap, but I just think it's bearish. I think it's going to go down a lot more, probably to at least 60. But yeah, we could have talked about Mullen today, but I really hate talking about that stock because, you know, I got a lot of bearish things to say about it, not too nice things to say. And the apes are out here to cancel you. If you say anything bad, they want to cancel you. SPY up a lot aftermarket, is it? Well, that's a good sign for tomorrow. Hope it stays that way. Yeah, it is up quite a bit. Interesting. That's a good sign for tomorrow. Alright, got you, low roller. McDonald's mooning? Yeah, I had no idea why. Oh, I mean, I do know why. It's earnings. Amazon following Walmart to Target to Go City, and Target to Go City. Yeah, it looks like retail shopping is everything is down because of Walmart trading in sympathy. Doesn't make too much sense. But you know, those stocks are not going anywhere. Amazon, Walmart, Target, buy the dip. Not financial advice. But buy the effing dip. What up, Healthy Morty? What's up? Everything red except Redbox. Yeah, for the most part. There was some other things in there. GeoVX, GOVX, and Saiga. But yeah, today was really nasty. Redbox was one of the bright spots for sure. Visa exploded because all people are doing is swipe. Yep. Especially nowadays. Also on Tinder, that's all they do too. But yeah, Visa has been doing really well. We have to look at that one too, right? Visa. Yeah, it's going up a little bit here in the aftermarket. 215 now. IMPP, yeah, IMPP as well. A lot of oil did well today. All right, guys, let's get into crypto. One second here as I pull that up. And please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Appreciate you. Let me check YouTube real quick. 11 viewers, 9 likes. So, more viewers than likes right now. That's a lot of viewers, though. And a lot of likes. But yeah, guys, please smash that like button if you haven't yet. Please and thank you. Okay. So, crypto time. Alright, so here's crypto. That is down 5.46% today. Oh, wrong one. That's definitely not the right one. Yeah, it's a pretty nasty day. Really nasty day for crypto. Took off $50 billion in the market cap. Ouch. Yeah, so let's see what's going on here. Bitcoin down 5.4%. That's under 21K again. Ether down 9.4%. Pretty bad. That's under 1,400 again. Binance down 4%. XRP down 4.25%. Cardano down 4.4 or 7.45. Solana 8.5. Doge 5.5. Polkadot 5.5. Polygon 10.6. Sheep 10 or 5.8. Avalanche 9.4. It's pretty bad. Uniswap 15. Litecoin 6.6. FTX 6%. Yeah, pretty much everything in the red here. Monero's up. But yeah, there's a lot of red here. And pretty bad price action too. Or a lot of price action, I should say. Yeah, so if we sort this out, literally 3 coins in the green. OKB, Monero, and Trust Wallet token. And the biggest gainer is OKB, 1.3%. So that's pretty pathetic, you know, nothing. So not many coins in the green here. Biggest gainer, 1.3%. So this is a really bad day for crypto. And on the red side, so yeah, 5% of the coins in the green, 95% in the red. And yeah, on the red side, actually the price action isn't as bad as I thought. There's a couple coins in the red here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coins. Biggest loser, Convex Finance, 15%. And then Lido, DAO, Uniswap, ApeCoin, StepIn, Polygon. But there are a good amount of value coins in the red here today. So yeah, really bearish. Price action wasn't the worst thing in the world, but yeah, pretty much all the coins in the red and good mix of value and growth in the red here. So yeah, really, really nasty day. Bitcoin held up really well actually, compared to everything else. But yeah, some biggest coins pulling down the market today: Uniswap, ApeCoin, Polygon, and Ether, and Avalanche. So yeah, massive rip, and we're almost back to where we were before. Kind of sucks. Not surprised at all though. But yeah, overall, this is a really bad day. Very bearish day in stock market, very bearish day in crypto. So overall, go. Hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Is it worth it to pay Tinder membership to get hot chicks? You are better off free Tinder, but you end up with broken, ugly chicks. I've never actually used Tinder, so I can't comment too much on that. I have some friends that use Tinder. I don't think you should pay for it, because I think even if you do pay for it, it's still a bunch of ugly chicks on there. I don't really think the hot chicks on there, they're either fake or they're just there for attention. I don't think they're really there to hook up with you. Again, I really can't say because I've never actually used Tinder. But from what I've heard, they're all ugly. they're all ugly. So the only way you're gonna get a hot chick is if you're like a hot male yourself, or if you're gonna pay for Tinder, you might as well. This is not a free advertisement, but you might as well go on like a sugar daddy site or something. It's worth more money. Costs a lot more too, but you know, you get more attractive women. Anyway, going on a rant here. Anyway, now you guys want some financial advice? You should probably not pay for Tinder. I've never done it, but it seems like a really bad idea. And what up, Finna? What's up? Do you believe Google will go under 100? I'm really tempted to drop a bag. Yeah, you're a couple minutes late. I actually did just look at it for B-Flam. Because he asked the same thing. He said, can he get it back at 99 to 95? So it's definitely possible it goes under 100. But maybe not. You know, it seems pretty bullish right now, and it hasn't gone under 100 yet. So what I said was, I think anything under 108 is a good price. You know, the chart still looks really, really bullish in the long term. So what I would do, and it's not financial advice, I would set the buy orders to 108. And if it pulls back to 100, then, you know, buy it again. But yeah, I think 108 is a good price. And then yeah, you can set another buy order at 100. That's what I would probably do. So yeah, it is possible to go under 100, but I'd probably set an order for 100 after as a second buy the dip. You are getting rich on YouTube since you are making $10. I'm not making $10 per day, dude. Do you add multi ads in your video in your live stream? You can add 25 ads in your YouTube. No. I only have ads in the live stream for the beginning, I think. I could add midstream ads, but I'm not gonna do that to you guys. That seems really annoying. So no on that. No to the the midstream ads. It would make me more money though, but I'm not gonna do that to you guys. And I'm not making $10 a day. I made $10 that one day, because of Brucey Baby, because he donated $10. It was really $7 because it's 10 and then they take 30%. So I made $10 that day, $7 because of Brucey's generous donation, his super chat. But excuse me. But no, I'm not making 10 a day right now. Probably making 1 a day, to be honest. I'm at $12 now, 12 or 13 in total. I made, and it's been like a week. So I made 7 from Brucey and like 5 from actual ads. I'm not rich, dude. Not at all. I'm barely making money from YouTube, but you know, eventually the plan is to actually get some serious money going here. I also got to add a channel membership. I was trying to figure out how to do that. But I think I just got approved for channel membership, so I'll add some extra stuff on there. It's gonna be the same thing as like Patreon. I don't know why, but like my allergies are going crazy lately. It's like so hot, but my nose is running. But yeah, low roller. I'm not rich. I'm not YouTube rich by any means. I just started making money. Pretty YouTube poor, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Bumble and Hinge are better dating apps than Tinder. Oh, I've never been on any of them, but I know Bumble. I think the woman has to reach out to you first, so you have a better shot that way. A lot better shot, I think. You know, because it means they actually have interest in you. You were getting there, brother? Yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there. You know, it was a major milestone. I'm certainly not complaining, you know. At least I'm making money now, something. Before it was for free. So yeah. You know, it's a long-term plan. I'm not worried about it. We'll get there for sure. Glad you're here. And I'm glad you guys are here as well. Couldn't do without you guys. So appreciate that. $12, that Wendy's combo. Not in New York. Maybe a sandwich in New York. Alright, so a little bit of a rant there. Going off topic. But alright, there's the stock market and crypto today, guys. Pretty bearish. So let's get to some news today. So I got 5 articles here, and looks like Low Roller has some stuff for us as well. A lot of articles today. Yeah, today's probably going to go longer than 2 hours, to be honest. Still got a lot of stuff to get to. Let me pull up Low Roller's stuff. Alright, gonna give this a second to finish loading. And we'll get started here. So a lot of articles today. Kroger join membership will be $1. Poor membership $5. Middle class membership $25. Rich membership $50 will be elite rich membership. I don't think I've ever actually been inside of a Kroger before. we don't have those around here. Is there actually a Kroger membership, or do you have to? Is it free? I really don't know. We don't have Kroger here. That's not too bad though. Costco is, you know, like $50, $100. I think it's more than $100 now for elite membership. So that doesn't actually sound too bad. All right, so let's get started here, guys. All right, guys. So today we got a lot of articles to get through. 5 from myself. One about Tether and Celsius. One about a ICO scam. One about the Central African Republic. One about Coinbase and one about Credit Suisse. And then we got a bunch from Low Roller. So not going to spend too much time on this. I'll try to get through this pretty quickly. But all right, let's do it here. So Tether's $840 million Celsius loan liquidation poses legal troubles. Celsius legal representatives are asking whether the bankrupt lender could be able to recover the value of the collateral sold by Tether. All right, so yeah, we've been following Celsius and other crypto firms that have been in some serious trouble lately, and stories don't end here. So I think the other day, Friday or yesterday, I can't remember, we saw an article that Celsius is now trying to claim that they don't owe anyone any money. They don't owe their victims any money. They say anything you deposit on their website is their property, and they have no, they're not legally obligated to pay you back, which is a bunch of BS. So shame on them for that. But yeah, today, more news coming out here. So what happened? So I think Celsius, what happened is Tether loaned them $840 million. And Celsius paid it back. But now Celsius is trying to claim that they did not have to pay it back. And they're trying to get the $840 million back from Tether.
Bruh.
So they're really doing the most here. They're really not trying to pay anyone back. So they're going, to the lowest of the low right here. So they're trying to rip off their investors, and they're trying to rip off their lenders now. Ripping everyone off. So you know what? That's not good. Seems like they're really out to save themselves. And could really care about anyone else. And, if they do come out of this alive, somehow, this has to diminish, like, all confidence, all investor confidence, and all lending confidence. I would not put my my money anywhere close to this company anymore, especially after this. So yeah, well, I continue to follow this story on Celsius and all the other distressed crypto funds. But this is pretty bad. So they repaid $1 billion loan, and now they're like, actually, we don't think we had to repay that. They're just stealing money from everyone. Really terrible. For Kroger guy, join membership suggestions. Oh, I got you. The Kroger guy is planning memberships, but he's not even monetized yet. 1, 5, 25, and 50. All right. Sounds like a plan. I just have 3, 5, 10, 15. So I wonder what he's going to offer. I saw a Kroger guy a $50 membership like Amazon. He's not monetized yet. You mean patron? On Patreon? He's a $50 patron? All right. I wonder who's going to pay that. I'm talking about Kroger guy join membership suggestions. Yeah. But he's not monetized. But I guess he was preparing for it. That's really generous if you give someone $50 a month. Celsius is worse than Mt. Gox. Yeah, it's up there. It's up there. It's definitely up there. Maybe not as bad because Mt. Gox didn't go through all this legal stuff. And no one got their money back. Actually, people did get their money back. What, like 10 years later? So, yeah, it's still playing out. But it's definitely up there with Mt. Gox. Alright, next article. Crypto CEO pleads guilty to ICO fraud, claim Disney Apple partnerships. All right. So who is this CEO? Anyway, so this company was TBIS, Titanium Blockchain Infrastructure Services, and 54-year-old Michael Allen Stoltree was the CEO, and he just said a bunch of BS. He said there were partnerships with Disney, Pfizer, and Apple. I don't know what this thing does. TBIS. Oh no, it was called BARS, BARS, ICO. And then they claim that 6 million tokens got stolen, and they created T-Bar to replace Bar. And they didn't even register the ICO to the SEC. And yeah, now he's getting sued. Getting charged and sued. So yeah, not surprising. There's been a lot of this. But just surprised that the guy's actually going down for it. So, yeah, I'm glad. Well, kind of sucks that the victims lost their money. I hope they get something back. And yeah, this guy deserves jail time, but it's white-collar crime, so it's probably not going to get too much. But yeah, there's a rampant fraud in crypto. And I've never even heard of this. But, yeah, glad the SEC is doing their job. Trying to, at least. And glad that guy's going to jail. I just hope the victims get their money back. All right, next article. Central African Republic begins sale of Sango coin. So the Central African Republic has started selling its Sango coin crypto. About 5% of the token supply allocated for the public sale has been sold in the first 24 hours. So pretty straightforward there, but yeah, the CAR, Central African Republic. This is Soma Finance. You know what? I actually got an offer from this company, Soma, to shill. I got a sponsorship affiliate link from them. They wanted me to shill their website. So I took a look at it, and I don't feel too good about it. So you know what? I'm not going to show that to you guys. But they did offer me sponsorship, an affiliate. And yesterday I got another affiliate offer from some shady Chinese casino game on the Google store or something. And I was like, I don't know if I should show this to you guys either. So, but I am starting to get affiliate offers and sponsors now. But I'm not going to take any deals that I don't feel comfortable, pushing to you guys. Anyway, back to this. So, yeah. So the CAR was the second country to legalize Bitcoin as legal tender after El Salvador. And now they're going even further, making their own currency. Their own cryptocurrency. So, I may have to buy some of these Sango coins. I don't know. So, yeah, I really like what this country is doing here. And I hope it works out. And, more countries should follow, making their own digital currency. The real Kroger company have $50 a year for membership. I didn't know that. Like I said, I've never even been in Kroger. Did Robinhood give you sponsorship yet? No. They needed to unlock my account first. How about that? That'd be a start. No, Robinhood did not give me any sponsorship. I don't think they even do sponsorships. Not anymore, at least. Start gamble streaming and get them to deposit for you. That's not a bad idea. Although, I don't really want to push gambling on you guys either. Not like legit gambling, like casino gambling. Unless it's poker or sports betting. But, you know what? That would be pretty fun. They give you, play money, and you just go crazy with it. Pretty misleading, though, to watchers and viewers. So, that would be fun, but yeah. just let you guys know, I am starting to get some offers, but I've turned them all down so far because I just don't feel comfortable, pushing that type of stuff on you guys. So I'm always gonna keep my integrity. I'm never gonna sell out for you guys. I don't know. Maybe if I start working for Wendy's or something, if it gets that bad, maybe I'll have to sell out. But I don't plan on that. All right. Don't know why my nose is running so bad. It's only during the show too. All right, next article. Coinbase shares tumble 21% after report that it's facing SEC probe. So shares of Coinbase closed down more than 21% Tuesday on report that it's facing SEC probes into whether the platform is offering unregistered securities. This SEC probe came before and was separate from Coinbase's alleged insider trading scheme that led to the fraud charges of an ex-Coinbase product manager Thursday. All right, so I don't even know why they're getting investigated. I didn't even know about this, but yeah, apparently the SEC's on them now. So, not good, very bearish, and yeah, stock went down 21% today. I think it recovered a little bit. But yeah, just bearish crypto market plus allegations here. Not good for Coinbase. And last article here, for me at least. Credit Suisse CEO to step down from embattled investment bank, Wall Street Journal says. So Credit Suisse CEO Thomas Gottstein is about to step down from the embattled investment bank. The bank will soon announce the departure of Gottstein after a tenure in which he oversaw a series of embarrassing mishaps and several unprofitable quarters, according to the journal. His replacement couldn't be determined, the newspaper said. Gottstein, a two-decade veteran of Credit Suisse, took over in early 2020 and was soon wrestling with the fallout of the meltdown of two key clients, the Archegos family office and the supply chain finance Greensill. All right, so it's pretty big news. I don't think anyone really cares, but yeah, Credit Suisse has been going through a lot of stuff the past couple of years. Most notably Archegos, Bill Wong. And yeah, I don't really think it's the CEO's fault, but someone has to take the fall here. So yeah, this is a major investment bank, major institution here, and they're letting go of their CEO. Doesn't happen often. So yeah, that is pretty big news. So I thought I should share with you guys. All right, now we got a bunch of stuff from Low Roller. Let's go through this very quickly. Raising Cane's founder buys 50K Mega Million tickets and hopes to share over 800 million jackpots with employees. That's pretty generous. Oh, he bought one ticket for every employee. But then the one ticket that does win, the employee's gonna be like, it's all mine. Watch. So I don't even know what Raising Cane is. Chicken fingers? I've never heard of that. But okay. Shout out to this guy, Todd Graves, and Raising Canes. Very generous of him. And I hope if they do win, he does actually share it. And I hope if, well, I don't think the individual employees got their tickets, but someone's going to try to claim that. It's their ticket and theirs only. But, alright, cool. Rooting for that guy. Todd Graves. TikTok got me fired. This woman lost her job after she discussed her salary online. And it's infuriating. Okay. Yeah, I don't really think you should get fired for this. Or at least the rules should be more clear before they fire you. So, yeah, companies don't like it when you post stuff about your job. But lately it has been changing. But yeah, some companies still very strict about this. So it's pretty unfortunate. But yeah, just be careful, guys. Don't go posting everything online. Not bad too. Pretty attractive young woman here. I think she'll be alright. What was this? Alright, we'll just skip that. Got an error there. See if it comes back up. Bipartisan U.S. legislation would make crypto more suitable for everyday purchases. It would make this exempt from taxation. Yeah, I don't know if this is actually going to happen. Because they got to tax everyone. That'd be pretty cool, though, if you don't get taxed on, like, little transactions. But even if they did, not many people are going to use crypto to actually buy stuff. So I don't really see this being that much of an issue. So hopefully there is no, crypto tax on small items. But probably will be. And I don't expect people to really pay for stuff using crypto anyway. But that'd be nice. That'd be nice if this does go through. We did cover this yesterday. Yeah, Chipotle giving away 200K in crypto, and I think like 2 million in food. Yeah, we covered this yesterday. But yeah, you could they're doing this game now for the next week. Buy the dip, and you can win like Ether, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Solana, some other stuff. I think. Yeah, we covered this one yesterday. So yeah, you guys have a chance to win some crypto here if you eat a Chipotle for the next week. Voyager rejects Alameda buyout offer as it harms customers. I thought it went through already. Okay. I thought it was a done deal, but alright, they're rejecting it. And I'm surprised they're even in a position to reject this offer, because I thought they declared bankruptcy. So I don't know how much leverage they have here. But, alright, looks like they're fighting back. They don't want to, do a hostile takeover. Get raided. Do a corporate raid here. So I guess this is a story we're going to have to follow. I thought it was a done deal, but apparently not. Yeah, so we've been covering Voyager as well. So, breaking news here on Voyager. They're rejecting the buyout offer from FTX and Alameda. Again, don't know how much leverage they have to do this, but we'll keep an eye on this. Robinhood will launch a stock lending program. They're going to let you lend fully paid stocks to borrowers. Kind of like shorting, I guess. How much payment do you get for lending your stuff out? All right. Well, I mean, there's no hurt in this. And, yeah, it sounds like kind of like shorting, you know? You lend your stock out, and then you got to pay back some premiums. But I don't think you're going to get much premium for lending your stock out. But, regardless, this is, this definitely helps. It's good to have. Even though I don't think it's going to be too popular. So, Robinhood has been making some pretty big, upgrades. Still sucks, though. But, that's pretty good. Alright, what's this? Last one. Miss Cheap, Kroger announces a new Boost paid membership program that offers extra rewards. Well, what do you get? $60 or $100 a year. That offers double fuel points and free delivery on orders of $35. So they deliver now? Alright. Well, I don't know if that's a deal or what, because I've never been in Kroger. But yeah, they're doing more promotions here. Kroger guy will have a lot of sponsorship by Bernie Sanders, AOC, and liberals since he loves to complain at his work. Sponsorships on his YouTube channel. Well, he definitely seems like he would vote for those, types of extreme leftist liberals. He's probably demanding, probably one of those people demanding college loan bailout. Biden said 10,000. He's probably like, no, that's not enough. I want 50K. Pay back all my loans. Did you know 7-Eleven have self-checkout in my area? Do you have it in your area yet? I don't know. I haven't been to 7-Eleven in a minute, in years. I don't even think there's one near. Probably the closest one is like, I don't even know, actually. I haven't been there in a long time. Kroger guy deleted his video when he saw a TikTok article since the person got fired. Yeah, so he complains about his job, but he doesn't want to get fired. That's pretty funny. He's going to end up getting fired anyway, somehow. Time for OnlyFans for her lols. I mean, yeah, she, I'd say she's average, maybe a little bit above average. But all you need to be is average to make some serious cash on OnlyFans nowadays. So, yeah, if anything, you got a plan B. If you're... if you're average, you have a plan B. And you have a vagina down there. You have a plan B. Crazy times. Kroger guy still continues to post his life and work online. So far, he got lucky. Which one is better, stock lending or margins? I mean, it's two different things. So you can't really compare them. But, yeah, it's two different things. Because margin, you're paying the brokerage. Lending, the brokerage is paying you, or whoever's borrowing is paying you. This is like Bitcoin lending, like Celsius. Not necessarily. I guess it can be. We don't know how aggressive or what they're really doing is. But I don't think it's going to be nearly as aggressive. Who knows, though? We got it. They didn't disclose how much money you would be getting for lending. And I'd like to know more details on that. Like I said, I don't think it's going to be too popular anyway. But it's better to have than not. I just want to know more details. Alright, guys. So that is all the articles for today. We're a bit behind here. It's 5:12 now, so we're about like 12 minutes behind. But alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Some pretty good stuff there. Pretty significant news. Let me check YouTube real quick. But yeah, so now we just gotta get to... We gotta do, we're gonna do BBIG and XELA. XELA first, and BBIG second. And then we'll get to the Yolos. Yeah, I think we're gonna go... We're probably gonna finish at like 6:15, 6:30 today. Because we're running a little bit behind here and still got a lot to go. But yeah, so we're done with the articles. We're gonna do two TAs, XELA, BBIG, and then Yolos. But yeah, this show is probably gonna take... Yeah, probably going to go around 6:30. I heard it is 1% stock lending in Robinhood. Robinhood call passive income. 1%? That's actually not too bad. That's not bad at all. We'll see, though. We'll see. That's definitely, doable. 10-20% like these other companies are offering. Not sustainable. And kind of a Ponzi scheme. So, you know what? I actually... sounds like a pretty good idea from Robinhood. I still think they suck, though. Alright, so we're going to do XELA. And BBIG. The hell is this? XELA announced it partnered with DN Fossey Gorilla Fund. The company is donating money to the gorilla-themed organization and also using the hashtags We Are All Apes and Ape Nation in social media posts and on some merchandise. What? What is the DN Fossey Gorilla Fund? Okay. All right, no, it's a gorilla sanctuary, I think. I could care less if I was an investor in XELA and you're losing all your money, and they're like, but wait, we're partnering with a gorilla fund, and it's supposed to make you go like, all right, cool, I'm happy now. Interesting. All right, well, let's do it. Cool. You heard Vince McMahon, retirement, CEO WWE. It is the real thing now. Yeah, we did review that yesterday, I think, when you weren't here. Turns out he owed like $15 million to several women. First it was like 1 million, then 4 million. Now it's several women accusing him, and he had to pay out 15 million bucks. So yep, that's really happening. But we did cover that yesterday. So you miss a lot of stuff when you're not here, Low Roller. All right, so it says 6 viewers, 11 likes. So appreciate everyone who's still here.
I appreciate you.
Please smash that like button if you haven't yet, and let's get to the TA. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot of me just talking here from this point on. So gonna try to get through this as quick as possible. Try not to bore you guys too much. But yeah, we do have a good amount of TA to discuss here. So let's do it. So here's XELA, Exela Technologies. This finishes at $1.85 today. And how much is that? Down. Let's see. I don't even have it here. XELA. All right. Now we got it. That is down 38.14%. We'll just use all of them, and I'll pick out the best ones later.
And it's gone.
So we've been covering this stock quite a bit lately. I said at 10 cents it looked really bullish, and then it squeezed up to 15. And then unfortunately yesterday in the aftermarket, the company came out with some surprise bearish news. They announced that they were going to do a 20-to-1 reverse split. Which theoretically really shouldn't affect the stock price. Splits and reverse splits. Theoretically, reverse splits and splits shouldn't affect the stock price, but in reality, reverse splits are usually bearish and splits are usually bullish. So this was very bearish for XELA. Market didn't like it, and so the reverse split did go through today. The market didn't like it, And unfortunately, it did sell off quite a bit. Almost 40%. So there was always the risk of a reverse split, but the way that it played out, just happening out of nowhere like this, is pretty disappointing. But that is the biggest reason as to why the stock went down so much today, in addition to just the overall markets not doing so great. And this was number 1 on StockTwits today. Had over 10,000 mentions, so once again, we're going to analyze it. So this is going to be more or less the same for my other XELA videos, but this is now going to be updated with the reverse split prices. But all right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. Okay. Our Jacqueline, hope I said that right. Thanks for the insight. You're welcome. Haven't seen you here before during the live show, so welcome to the community and the show. And yeah, welcome, dude. Glad you're enjoying the content. Okay. So first of all, this appears to be a cup and handle in the making. Can't really say where the bottom of the cup is because this is making lower lows. But there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 465, 525, 685, or 780, and longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle. Where is this? 110. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where this has the potential to go all the way back up to 109 or 156. So those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Okay. Quadruple gap down, right. And then we have a quadruple gap down. Oops. And then we have a quadruple gap down. First gap down is back at... First gap down is back here at 49.80. So that is a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 49.80 to fill that gap. Second gap down is back here at 39.20. So that's another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 39.20 to fill this gap. $10. Right here it is. Third gap down is back here at $10. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to $10 to fill this gap. And the fourth gap down was created today at $2.75. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 275 to fill this gap. And that gap at 275 should fill in the short term. The other gaps at 10, 13.20, and 49.80 should fill in the longer term. May take a while, but eventually they should fill. Okay. Descending channel. My bad, guys. Just gonna blow my nose real quick here. Don't know why. I don't know what's up with my nose lately. I should mute while I blow my nose. Must sound pretty disgusting. Alright, back to this. Here we have a descending channel forming. Right now, the top of the channel is at 310. And the bottom is around 35 cents. So if this breaks the upper channel of 310, that would be a bullish indicator. If this breaks the lower channel of 35 cents, that would be a bearish indicator. So right now, so this was going to break the upper channel, and it was looking really bullish. But now, this is back to being a neutral. But now the descending channel is back to being a neutral indicator. In the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 178. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow, the stock will sell off as well. And MACD. And down here on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line has not crossed the signal line just yet, but it looks like it will very soon to the downside. So that's a bearish indicator. That is suggesting that it may be time to sell. Okay. And of course, here comes the sirens. So I'm going to mute real quick while this passes, and we'll get on with the TA here. 1 second, guys. Alright, we're good now. My bad, guys. I was chewing on some bubble tea also. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Alright, we'll go up to we will go up to 5. Alright. Cool. So right now this is sitting on the support of 185, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 190, $2, 215, 220, 230, 235, 240, 250, 255, 265, 270, 280, 295, 305, 315, 320, 335, 360, 380, 390, 405, 420, nice, 440, 450, 465, and then 525. There is resistance above 525, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next level of support would be 165. Yes. Which it hit today, and is the all-time low. And there is no support below that. That would be uncharted territory. Okay. So right now with the current price, 185. The channels to the upside are pretty decently sized. So if this stock continues to run to the upside, expect a significant increase in price action. What is that? 335. However, if/when this breaks 335, the channel starts to open up and get wider. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 335 to the upside. And to the downside, and there's only one support to the downside, so I can't really comment on the downside here. What did I say before? So if the stock runs to the upside, expect a normal amount of price action. So if the stock runs to the upside, expect a normal amount of price action. I think I said that already. Okay. RSI is currently at 35, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but quickly approaching that. So this could be a good buying opportunity, not financial advice. And this did 25 million in volume today, which is way above the average of 2.6 million. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. And this is going to be more or less the same from my previous videos, just with the updated reverse split numbers. So long term, the stock still looks really bullish. Again, we have really strong bullish indicators in the cup and handle, and quadruple gap down, well, cup and handle, quadruple gap down, and low RSI. In the short term, this may keep on pulling back a little bit longer. It looks like it's a falling knife right now. And again, we do have bearish indicators in the MACD and aftermarket action. So this may keep on pulling back in the short term. But pretty soon, this should start to bottom out, catch support, and reverse. So short term, so in the immediate short term, there's probably still more pullback to go, but this still looks pretty bullish in the short term as well. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. You really can't go too wrong here at the current price of 185. I wouldn't call it an excellent entry, but definitely an above average entry here. And if it pulls back any further, then it would be an excellent entry. But yeah, once again, a lot of bullish indicators. Not too many bearish and neutral indicators. This is near the all-time low. And really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. So again, at some point, this should come back up to 49.60 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 185, let's do some math. And from the current price of 185, that would be over a 2,500 80% upside potential. So massive upside potential here in the long term still. And really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. This did hit the all-time low today. So I would say going long at the current price 185 would be a low risk, extremely high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. Can't go too wrong here. Massive upside potential in the long term, and really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. So I can support going long at the current price 185, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the support of 165. And I don't have any support below that, but you can continue to average down if it does break 165. But yeah, going long here. Seems like a really good play to me right now. So I can't support that. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, it appears like in the immediate short term, this should keep on pulling back for a little bit longer, maybe a couple trading sessions. Because this does appear like it's a falling knife right now. But for the same reasons I said to go long, that going long was a good idea, going short is a really bad idea right now for those same reasons. A lot of strong bullish indicators. Not many bearish indicators. And those bearish indicators are just temporary. Hit the all-time low today. Massive upside potential in the longer term. Not so much downside potential. So I would say going short here at the current price 185 would be an extremely high risk, low reward play. Not really worth it in my opinion. You missed a lot of downside potential already. You should have went short anywhere really in the $19 to $3 range, And here at 185, it's a bit too late to go short. You're probably going to get burned. Not the greatest idea right now. If you want to go short, it would definitely have to be a quick scalp. Get in, get your money, get out. Get in, get your money, get out. And even then, there are definitely way better short plays out there in the market. So you're better off just avoiding this one on the short side right now. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. So pretty straightforward, guys. Very disappointing PR. Very disappointing news. Coming out yesterday in the post market. The company hit the apes with the surprise reverse split. There was always the possibility that a reverse split would happen, but they really caught everyone off guard with the way they did it here. But yeah, really bearish news. Market didn't like it, selling off almost 40% today. So that was pretty disappointing. But the stock still looks bullish. In the long term, it may keep on pulling back a little bit longer in the short term, but very soon it should start to reverse, catch support, reverse. It should start to bottom out, catch support, and reverse. So if you want to go long, not financial advice. The current price 185 is an above average entry right now. Not quite excellent, but really can't go too wrong here. Massive upside potential in the long term. Really shouldn't go too much lower. So I can support going along at the current price, 185. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down. And if you want to go short, seems like a pretty bad idea right now. You missed a lot of downside already. And if you were and going short here at the current price 185 would straight up be FOMO, and you're probably going to get burned. Again, a lot of bullish indicators. Hit the all-time low today. Massive upside potential, not too much more downside potential. So going short here seems to be a really bad idea. If you want to go short, it would definitely have to be for a quick scalp. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. And it would definitely have to be for a quick scalp. Get in money, get your money, get in, get your money, get out. But there are definitely way better short plays out there in the market right now. And you're better off just avoiding this one on the short side right now. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. But this could be a good buying opportunity, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is XELA, Exela Technologies. Alright, a lot of talking there. But I think we got some pretty good TA. And then BBIG. So we're going to do BBIG, and then that's it for the TA. So, yes, I hope I'm not boring you guys too much. Let me check YouTube. Oh, we're at 6 viewers, 12 likes. Alright, so, yeah, no one's saying anything. No one's really chatting. So I thought most people dipped, but it looks like still a decent amount of people here. So I appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you.
A little bit of lag, but yeah, I appreciate you guys. And yeah, we're just going to do BBIG, last TA. and then we'll get on to the Yolos. So yeah, we definitely are gonna go. We're definitely gonna go probably to 6:30 today, around 6:30. So a long show today. That's all right. A lot of stuff to cover, and you know, a lot of people here chatting today. Really good show today. What up, Swirls?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here. Appreciate you as always. BBIG is now be gone. Yeah, good one. Yeah, really rough, really rough, but looks pretty bullish, long term at least. We'll get to that right now. And I did see what you said about Mullen. Mullen, honorable mention today. I'm not going to talk about it because I just hate talking about Mullen. But yeah, you know, I could have told you that was going to happen. Another disaster PR event. The guy loves doing PR, the CEO David Mitchery, but it's always a disaster. Well, he didn't show up for the event today. Like, come on, bro.
Bruh.
And apparently, the Fortune 500 company's announcement is delayed until August now.
Bruh.
And then what happens when August comes around? Delayed again until December. Something like that. So, yeah. You know, just a dumpster fire. A poop show all around for that stock. And I really feel bad for the investors. Not really, though. Like I do, but not really, because you try to warn the apes and they just don't want to listen. So, what can you do in the end? But yeah. Total dumpster fire. That stock. And I hate talking about it. So we're not going to do it today, but yeah, that did get wrecked. Unsurprisingly. Okay. So, BBIG time. But Mullen is on sale now. Yeah, that's true. The apes do say that. You're never gonna get prices like this again. Buy, buy, buy. It's gonna squeeze. Bro, it's sad.
Bruh.
But we're not talking about Mullen today. So I gotta stop before I piss the apes off and they come trying to cancel me again. Alright, back to BBIG. Or, yeah. Let's start BBIG. Okay. MACD is... I don't know about the MACD. I guess it is kind of bearish. Whatever. Alright. Let's do it, guys. And please smash that like button if you haven't yet. Appreciate you. Please and thank you. So here is BBIG, Vinco Ventures. This finishes at 79.2 cents today. That is down 20.8%.
And it's gone.
Okay. So we haven't covered this stock in a few weeks. This did have a lot of momentum behind it. Well, the last time we covered this stock, the last time we talked about the stock was when Cryptide came out, which all the apes were waiting for. But unfortunately, that ended up being a sell the news event. But today, this was trending again. Did make top 10 on StockTwits. I believe it had over 4,000 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. So once again, we're going to analyze it. So there was a reason as to why the stock went down so much today. We did have some bearish news. So let's check that out. All right, let's see here. So, shares are trading lower after the company reported that it thwarted what it believes was a hostile takeover attempt by the Farnsworth Group. So this was breaking news. So this is breaking news. Happened last night. Did it happen after the market closed? This happened last night after the market closed. This happened last night after the post-market closed. Oops. So there's a lot to get through here. So we're not going to get into all the drama here. But the company terminated Theodore Farnsworth, Lisa King, which was and Lisa King, both Farnsworth and Lisa King, both Theodore Farnsworth and Lisa King were co-CEOs. Eric Noble, who was the company's chief security officer, and Roderick Vanderbilt. Who was the business development director and chairman of the board. So the Farnsworth Group refers to those four individuals. So there appears to be an internal power struggle going on right now. It appears like the Farnsworth Group attempted a hostile takeover. It didn't work. And they all got fired. And now the company is left picking up the pieces, trying to recover from this. So there was supposed to be a stockholder meeting scheduled today. But because of all the drama, it is now postponed to August 23rd. So they pushed it a month back. So yeah, really bearish news. Last night and today. So yeah, really bearish news. There was an attempted hostile takeover. It failed, but the damage has been done, and the stockholder meeting gets postponed. And the stockholder meeting gets pushed back by a month. So yeah, that was obviously bearish news. The market really didn't like it. And sold off quite a bit today, 21% as a result. But all right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making here. Can't really say where the bottom of the cup is because this is making lower lows. But there are multiple possible tops. Let's see here. It can be 160, 225, $260, uh, 305, or even 340. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle. Where this has the potential to go all the way back up to 555, 910, or even the high of 1250. But those are all bullish indicators that is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And then we have 7 gap downs. Let's see. First gap down is back here at 950. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 950 to fill this gap. Second gap down is back here at 750. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 750 to fill this gap. Third gap down is back here at 585. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 585 to fill this gap. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Four, 5, 6. I think I missed one. 1, 2, 3. I guess not. I guess there's only 6. Am I missing something? 1, 2, 3. Alright, there's actually 6, not 7. And then we have 6 gap downs. Right. Okay. Third gap down is back here at, or excuse me, fourth gap down is back here at 275. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 275 to fill this gap. Fifth gap down is back here at 190. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 190 to fill that gap, to fill this gap. And sixth and final gap down was created today at 99 cents. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 99 cents to fill this gap. So sextuple gap down, extremely bullish indicator there. Here we did have a descending triangle forming. So this was consolidating between 99 cents and 104. And from there, it was suggesting that the stock would break out to the and from there, it was suggesting that the stock would break out to the downside, which it did. So the descending triangle was and still currently is a bearish indicator. All right, a couple more things. In the aftermarket here, this is running up to 80.5 cents. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will run to the upside. And we'll do the MACD. It's not showing up on screen though. Definitely gotta edit this. And down here on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line has not crossed the signal line just yet, but it looks like it will pretty soon to the downside. So that's a bearish indicator that is suggesting that it may be time to sell. Okay. And let me change that back. Cool. I think I got everything there. Yes. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Damn it, 6:03 already. All right, yeah, we'll try to finish up quick here. So we'll go to 250. Why not? We'll go to 250 here. All right. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 85 cents and 77 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 85 cents, 99 cents, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 135, 145, 160, 175, 190, 195, $2, 205, 215, 220, 225, 230, 240, 245, and then 250. there is resistance. There is resistance above 250, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next level of support would be 77 cents. 77 cents is the all-time low, so no support below that. That would be uncharted territory. Yeah, okay. Let's see here. $190. Okay. So right now at the current price, 79 cents. The channels to the upside and the downside are very wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if / when this breaks 99 cents to the upside, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if / when this breaks 99 cents. But then after 125, the channel starts to open up and get really wide again. Up until 190. So from the current price up to 99 cents, expect significant price action. From 99 cents up to 125, expect regular price action. And from 125 up to 190, expect significant price action again. And then past 190, expect regular price action again. And then to the downside, yeah, not going to comment on that. RSI is currently at 24. So that is officially in oversold and undervalued territory. So be careful, guys. And this did 34 million in volume today, which is above the average of 26 million. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So fundamentally, I don't really like the stock. There's been a lot of drama in this company in the past year. So I would stay away from this company. So I'd stay away from this stock just based on the fundamentals. But technically, so personally, I would stay away from this company just based on the fundamentals. But technically, it does look very bullish, not gonna lie. We have some very strong bullish indicators. Again, we have some very strong bullish indicators in the cup and handle and sextuple gap down. Well, cup and handle, sextuple gap down, and low RSI. Really no bearish indicators. No bearish indicators other than the MACD, and no neutral indicators. So overall, the stock looks really bullish in the short and long terms. Even after this crazy, even after the stock got wrecked today, due to this crazy hostile takeover attempt. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. The current price of 79 cents is an excellent entry. Really can't go too wrong here. Again, only bullish indicators right now. No bearish or neutral indicators. This is the all-time low. So really shouldn't go too much lower. And again, this should come back up to 950 in the longer term to fill the gap there. So from the current price of 79 cents, up to 950. Let's see. That would be over an 1100% upside potential. So a huge upside potential here in the long term. I would say going long at the current price, 79 cents, would be a low risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. Huge upside potential in the long term. Really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. So yeah. So I can support going long at the current price, 79 cents. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down. To the support of 77 cents. And if it pulls back below that, I don't have any more supports here, but you can continue to average down. Okay. Now, if you want to go short now, if you want to go short now, financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that, Again, this looks extremely bullish. In the short and long terms. Only bullish indicators, no bearish or neutral indicators. This is the all-time low. This did hit the all-time low today. Again, 1100% upside potential in the longer term. And really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. You already missed huge downside potential. You really should have went short. Anywhere from the $12 to $2 range. And here at 79 cents, it's a bit too late to go short. Seems like a really bad idea. I would say going short here at the current price, 79 cents, would be a very high risk, low reward play. Doesn't make too much sense going short here. Really no reason to do that. It is possible to make some money here going short, because this does appear like there is still some pullback, because it still appears like there is some pullback to go. This does appear like a falling knife right now. But it would definitely have to be a quick scalp. Get in, get your money, get out. But there are definitely way better short plays out there in the market. And honestly, you're probably better off just avoiding this one on the short side and looking elsewhere. And of course, here comes the siren. Never fails, never fails. Alright, 1 second, guys. Gonna mute. My apologies. Always gotta mess up my show here. Alright, my apologies. Let's finish up here. And the siren's been on for like 30 blocks. It's crazy. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own. Risk. But yeah, the risk is not worth the reward. But personally, to me, the risk is not worth the reward. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. And again, it would have to be a quick scalp. Get in, get your money, get out. So pretty straightforward, guys. It's been pretty rough the past year for this stock. Pulled back very significantly from $12.50 to under $1. Crazy drama going on in the past few days. Crazy drama going on recently with this hostile takeover attempt. It didn't work out, but the damage has been done. Massive sell-off today. But still looks really bullish. But the chart still looks really bullish in the short and long terms. So if you want to go long, the current price, 79 cents. Excellent entry. Huge upside potential in the long term. 1100% upside potential in the long term. Really shouldn't go too much lower. Just hit the all-time low today. Oversold, undervalued. So I really can't go too wrong here. Going long, I would support going long at the current price, 79 cents. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down. And if you want to go short, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. For the same reasons, going long is a good play. For the same reasons, going long is a really good play. Going short is a really bad play. Again, all bullish indicators, all-time low. You should have went short a long time ago, anywhere from $12 to $2. Here at 79 cents, it's way too late to go short. And you're probably going to get burned. Huge upside potential in the long term, not too much downside potential. So going short here appears to be a really bad idea. There is some money to be made. There is possibly some money to be made here, because it appears like this is a falling knife right now and should pull back a little bit more. But so if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. but there are definitely way better. But there are definitely way better short plays out there in the market right now. And honestly, you're probably better off avoiding this one on the short side and moving on. So personally, I wouldn't go for this one. On the short side, seems like a really bad idea. But okay. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, but looks like a good buying opportunity, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BBIG, Vinco Ventures. Alright, again, took longer than I expected, but we are through that. Done with the TA. A lot of talking, so my apologies. Hope I didn't bore you guys too much. But yeah, we're done with the TA. It is now 6:20, and we'll finish up with the Yolos. So yeah, I think we'll be done by 6:45. I don't know actually, because Low Roller has a bunch of stuff for us. We'll definitely be done by 7 though. We're not going longer than 3 hours. Really long show today. All right, got you, Low Roller. We'll get to all your stuff right now. I'm depressed. Got out of Redbox too early. I thought it would go down today. Now I got to decide TBLT versus Redbox, or maybe Monkeypox play. BBIG is too much drama to deal with. Yeah, that's why I said fundamentally, I wouldn't even touch the stock. But it does look good long term, technically. But yeah, BBIG, XELA, Mullen, all these stocks, way too much drama. Way too much drama. And about Redbox. So it's going down now in the aftermarket. So I think you exited at a good time. Honestly, like, yes, it may have more upside to go, but, you know, you can't be too upset taking a profit. And it does appear like it is going to pull back pretty soon. So, yeah, don't feel too bad, dude. As long as you made money. Got to be happy with that. TBLT versus Redbox. I would not go with anyone right now. They're both probably going to pull back pretty hard. So, you may want it short, not financial advice. But yeah, don't feel too bad about Redbox. And don't go chasing. Don't FOMO. It shows one watching. I don't know about that. That's what it says, but YouTube be lying. It says 2 for me. I don't know. Maybe there are actually 2 people, but YouTube be lying. Maybe not though, because usually during the end here is when people start to, you know, leave towards the Yolos. But yeah, guys, I appreciate everyone who stuck around through that boring TA.
I appreciate you.
And let's just finish up with the Yolos. So we'll try to finish up quickly here, because I don't want to spend too much time. It's getting a bit late. But yeah, I got, I think, 10 Yolos today, 10 or 11, and then it seems like Low Roller has a bunch of stuff for us as well. So, yeah, this is probably going to take 20 or 30 minutes. We'll see. But give me 1 second here. Let me pull up the Yolos, and we'll finish up the show here today. All right. All right. Got my stuff loaded up. Is it just me? No, I think it's you and Low Roller. I think you guys are the only 2 left. But then again, YouTube does lie a lot, so it may be more than that. But I think it's just you and Low Roller. So shout out to you guys for sticking around. You guys are real ones. Alright. Wow, Low Roller has a lot of stuff for us. Alright, open those up too. Okay. So still loading up here. But I think I'll get started anyway. Alright guys, so today, this should be fun. We have a lot of stuff to get through. A lot of YOLOs to get through. And they are, for the most part, YOLOs. All corn. No memes. So we got some good stuff here today. We got 11 from myself, and looks like 5 from Low Roller, plus an article. So this should take a little bit. But let's do it, guys. So this first one is by JWW2124. Apple Gains. Alright, so what do we have here? We have a Leaps. Apple 120 strike expiring March 17th, 2023. So this was a 60K YOLO, and right now is up almost 44K. 73.5%. So, this is somewhat risky, but, you know, if you guys are going to play options, if you guys are going to buy options, this is how I would recommend you guys do it. Buy Leaps, not FDs. So, I like the strike, I like the expiration. Pretty safe. And, yeah, kind of a big YOLO, 60K, but it's working out so far really well. Let's check it out. Yeah, so it's already in the money. And still got like 10 months to go. So yeah, really well done. Really well done. I like this a lot. So, you know, no shame in taking profits right now. But, you know, this should work out in this guy's favor. Really shouldn't go out of the money. And even if it starts to go out of the money, you can just sell before it actually goes into the red. But yeah, I like this one a lot. This is not your typical Wall Street Bets FD play. This appears to be pretty planned and executed. Well planned and executed. So JWW2124, thanks for posting. Congrats on your gains, dude. Very well done. I'm not the biggest fan of buying options, but if you were to buy options, this is how you do it. Blue chip value stock, good strike, good expiration, good timing. All around really well done. So, yeah, dude, no matter what happens, you'll finish in the green here. Or you should at least. So, congrats to you, and good luck. Please post updates. Alright, this is by Silas P. Silas. Taking nothing but W's since last week. Plus 25K off put since Monday. Alright, so, yeah, said it all here himself. 25K gain in the past month. That's pretty insane, considering he only has 27K, so... What, he ran it from 2K to 27K? What the hell? You know, that's pretty impressive. But, let's be real here. Probably some skill involved, but mostly luck. Mostly luck. Definitely FD YOLOs. And, yeah, looks like you got a bit lucky here. So, really happy for you, dude. But just chill out. You know, take it easy. Secure your gains, because, the longer you do this, bigger chance it goes to zero. So, you know, massive gains here. I just chill out for, you know, just cash out and secure the gains. So, Silas P. Silas, thanks for posting. Congrats to you, dude. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what your plays are, but enjoy the Indies and just chill out in the future. Because good chance it goes to zero the more you do this. But yeah, congrats to you, dude. And good luck. Please post updates. Alright, this is by Revolutionary Title 3032. Down 9K to start the day on these, and green appeared. Alright, so this is actually an update, because he did one earlier in the day. But yeah, these are for SPY August 19th, 385 puts. So yeah, he was down 9K. He was at 55K, I think, last time. And now he's actually up 13K for the day. So crazy swings here. Up 23.5% in one day. So still got a good amount of time. A couple weeks to go. And good chance it does work out. So this is a bit risky. I don't recommend you guys do this, but highly entertaining. So he's up so far, and may go up even more in a couple of weeks. So we'll see. So revolutionary title 32. Thanks for hosting. Insanely risky stuff. Don't recommend this to anyone, but it's working out so far. Let's be real. It's luck. And yeah, dude. Looks like you're gonna hold for a little bit longer. So congrats on the gains today, and good luck to you. Don't get too greedy. You know, don't be afraid to cash in the gains. But no matter what happens, please post updates. So thanks for posting, and good luck to you. All right, this is by Lean Turkey for lunch. Deletion to GME part 7.15. Short position gain. All right, so we've reviewed this guy a couple of times. So here's an update. So yeah, GME expiring this Friday, three days to go. July 29th, $20 and $30 puts here. So he's up 15K on the $30 puts and a couple hundred on the 25. Let's check it out. $32.5. We'll call it 33. So currently at 33, 3 days to go, and they are both actually out of the money. So, you know what? You should probably cut these. You should probably cut these first thing in the morning, to be honest. Because somehow you're in the green here. And they're both out of the money, so good chance it goes to zero. So yeah, this is getting a little too close for comfort. I just cash out while you're green. Just my opinion, though. But yeah, highly, highly risky. Don't do this, guys. Bad strikes, bad expirations, bad timing too. But for whatever reason, he's actually up here. So, Lean Turkey for lunch. Thanks for posting. Thanks for the update. Again, highly risky. Don't recommend anyone do this. And for whatever reason, you're up here. I don't know how, but consider yourself lucky. And in my opinion, you should cut first thing in the morning tomorrow. Because if you don't, good chance it goes to zero. Save yourself, dude. But yeah, appreciate you for updating. And no matter what happens, please post updates. Again. So thanks for posting. Good luck to you. Congrats so far. And please post updates. Please don't lose your money. Alright, that's enough for the gain corn. Let's go on to the lost corn now. So this is by Circuit G. I definitely belong here with this lost corn. Okay. So, yeah, here we see from January 1st to July 22nd, he's down 250K. That is pretty disgusting.
And it's gone.
Oh, bit of lag. One more time.
And it's gone.
A little bit better. But yeah, only one way this is possible. FD Yolos. So this is pretty disgusting. In 6 months, all his money. Well, I don't even know, but 250K, which is, you know, a lot of money there. So yeah, definitely FD Yolos. Bad decisions. Don't feel too bad for this guy. But epic loss corn here. So chill with the FD Yolos, guys. As I say every single day. So yeah, Circuit G. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. Not really. Totally your own fault. Pretty impressive, actually, how this is even possible. So I hope you're okay. And maybe they were shares. I doubt it. But hopefully they were shares. And yeah. You know, I hope you make your money back. But probably not. So yeah, I hope you learned a lesson from this, if anything. But epic loss corn. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. And good luck to you. Please post updates. All right, this is by Palantirs. Definitely reviewed this guy before. So GME update rope, finishing the job. All right. So yeah, this guy has massive FDs, massive FDs here. So expiring August 5th. So next week and a half to go. $40 and $52.5 calls GME. So this was almost a 70K YOLO, and right now is down over 42K, 62%. So what's it at now? 33. So yeah, 2 weeks to go, 1.5 weeks to go. Probably not going to happen. So yeah, you know, pretty sick. Lost 40K already, 42K. But he still got 25K in value here, which is a lot of money. And if you don't cut it, it's probably going to zero. So yes, again, highly risky. Bad strike, bad expiration. Don't do this, guys. And yeah, at this point, you should probably cut it before it goes to zero. So, sorry for your loss, dude. But yeah, totally your own fault. And hope you cut as soon as you can. Or you can hold and lose another 25K. Your choice. But yeah. Thanks for posting. Thanks for posting again, I should say. Not surprised. You're getting wrecked here. You know, terrible play all around. Don't do this, guys. But yeah, at this point, cut it now or lose it. So sorry for your loss, and please post updates. But I have a feeling he's gonna hold to zero. We'll see though. All right, this is by Crazy Headshot JR. A bachelor's degree in finance, 3+ years of trading experience, tuning into Squawk Box every morning, and I still don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, so, just goes to show, you know, you can do all the DD in the world and still get wrecked. Or you can be an ape and just buy YOLO FDs and be a millionaire. Stock market is crazy. But yeah, so, and plus, everything you learn in school doesn't really prepare you for the stock market. Maybe a little bit, but it's a whole nother beast. You don't really get experience until you do it yourself. Although he does say 3 years of trading. So maybe he hasn't learned anything. Or maybe he was trading during the good times, and now he hit his first bear market. But yeah, down 29K. And he considers himself experienced. So I'm not sure what he lost it in, but hopefully they were shares and not FDs. But, you know, if he has a degree in finance and 3 years in trading, he should know not to play FDs like that. But anyway, so don't know what he played here, but, yeah. Some nice lost corn here for an ape that doesn't think he's too much of an ape. But yeah, in the end, we're all apes, huh? So, Crazy Headshot JR, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Don't know what you're in, but hopefully shares. And I hope you can learn from this. So, shout out to you. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, and good luck. Alright, still got a lot to get to here. This is by Warren301. Tesla calls, best place to lose money this week. Well, there's a lot of places to lose money this week. But yeah, he's down 23K. Over 23K in Tesla. It says in the past year and a half, but he says this week. Anyway, yeah, he's down 23K for the past year. Probably FD YOLOs. Or a combination. But either way, epic loss corn here. So Warren301, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Good luck to you. He probably went to a bad school and bad teacher. Well, you know, you can't be that bad in college. And yeah, you know, even stupid people can pass college. It ain't that hard. You just gotta read the book. That's what I never understood. If you failed high school, if you failed public high school, you're just done. You're done in life. Just give up. But yeah, you know, even dumb people can pass college. You can't totally BS college, but you know, as long as you read the book, the textbook, you should be fine. Anyway, all right, this is by Beautiful Gib. I'm done with options, Apple calls, Tesla puts, SQQQ, TQQQ, etc. GG's in the chat. or F's in the chat. Anyway, so yeah. Bunch of FDs, and he's down 15.5k. 89% all time. Of course, he is BBIG call, right? Of course, down here. So, yeah, pretty self-explanatory. FD's blew up his account. So how many times have we seen, don't trade options, don't trade options, and then people keep trading their options and blowing up their accounts? Crazy stuff. But yeah, this ain't the worst thing in the world. 15k. So, you know, in the grand scheme of things, you can easily make this back. Just go work at Wendy's for a bit. But yeah, Beautiful Gib, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. But, yes. You learned your lesson, and hopefully other people can learn their lessons from this. Some people do, but most people don't. But this is typically what happens. So I'll hit him with the doomer and the dumpster. Back to McDonald's, back to Wendy's, and dumpster for you. So yeah, sorry for your loss, but not too bad. Hope you learned your lesson. Hope you learned your lesson, and good luck to you in the future. All right. This is by Haina. Never posted this bad boy. Enjoy. Yeah, so this one is pretty good. So he was at 10k. 1 year later, he ran it up to 11k. 1 year later, he ran it up to 47k. So a 36k gain there. And then 1 year later, he blew it up. And it's gone.
And it's gone.
So, yeah. So it seems like a combination of overconfidence and just the bear market hitting. But yeah, guys, this is typically what happens when you play FDs. You know, beginner's luck, you get too confident, proceed to lose everything. So, you know, you guys got to cash out and secure your gains. But yeah, epic loss corn here. So, what is that? It's like 40k loss corn. About 46k loss corn. That's crazy. So yeah, again, guys, chill with the FDs, or this is going to happen to you, probably. So, hey, no, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Yeah, this sucks, but, you know, expensive tuition, and hope you learned something from this. You know, chill with this in the future. So thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Good luck to you. Alright, now we're on to low roller stuff. This one got deleted, so can't do that. Alright, so deletion to Coinbase for the money I lost on it. So what he has puts on Coinbase now, expiring this week. So 20k YOLO, 21.5k YOLO, or 22k YOLO, and he's up 8.5% right now. And let's check out Coinbase. It's at 53. So they're both in the money. They're both in the money and probably going to stay in the money. So fat gain already. You know, no shame in taking your profits right here. But they should finish in the money. So pretty risky. Bad strikes and bad expirations, but it's working out. Fat gain and you should finish in the green, no matter what happens. So congrats to you, dude. More luck than anything, let's be honest. But congrats, and, yep. Please post updates. I want to see how this goes. Alright, sir, this is Wendy's. 420. Nice. What do you get? Single cheese, no bun. Lettuce as bun, no ketchup. So he got a cheeseburger with no buns. And that was $6. Cheeseburger with no buns is $6, and then he got a $2 discount. I don't know why. For and then $20 tax. So it's $4.20. Nice. Sorry, guys. Gotta blow my nose. So, nice. Nice. Shout out to Wendy's. Alright, what's this? On December 3rd, Ameritrade exercised 30k Ford options when my account was empty. At 3:47, I threw my last 2k on Ford options. Right at the strike expiring 13 minutes later, I paid 8 cents contract and it crashed almost instantly. Tried to sell at 8 limit but never filled. So he tried to get his money back but never filled. Made 50% on after hours. Miracle. Did Ford go up? Ford didn't really move after hours. So don't really know what's going on here. Did it go through? What? So it got exercised. I don't really know what's going on here, to be honest. But it sounds like he made money, so congrats to this guy. A little bit confusing, though. Alright, Big Mac, then and later. So original Big Mac. Second Big Mac. Third. So this is the new Big Mac? That's pretty noticeable difference. So yeah, shrinkflation. Hold on here. Is this the right link? Alright, let's go to this one first. Uh-oh, no video. Don't play the video. No. Alright, so, what's this? Klondike discontinues the Choco Taco? I've never even had Klondike. But, Choco Taco, that sounds pretty good. Anyway. We're not going to read the thing or watch the video. But the Choco Taco is not a thing anymore. Kind of sounds like an ice cream sandwich. Their version of ice cream sandwich. But okay. Cool. That sucks. I like to try it before it gets discontinued. But alright, cool. Klondike discontinues Choco Taco. No idea what that is. And, alright, this is the same thing. Look how much you pay taxes on Mega Million in New York. Where does it say? I don't even know. The link I posted? Yeah, I clicked it, but then it goes back to this basic link here. The link doesn't work. I know it's a lot, though. I know it's a lot. Anyway, it says, no jackpot winner Monday. But one person in Nebraska won $1 million. Anyway, so, yeah, the link doesn't work, Low Roller, so I don't know what the, I don't know what the tax is. But, that is a huge jackpot, so good luck to everyone. $830 million. But, alright, guys, that is the show for today. So, yeah, that was a long show. It is now 6:49, so we have went almost 3 hours here. 2 hours, 49 minutes. So I said 2 hours. And we went on quite a bit here today. So, but we did have a lot of content to cover and a lot of people chatting. So no problem. You know, thank you guys for the show. Hope you guys enjoyed. Really good show. I think most people are gone, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. So good stuff. A lot of articles, a lot of TA, a lot of Yolos, a lot of chatting. So, yeah, really good show today. So, anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns before we get out of here? Charts? Anything you want me to look at? Put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we out. And I do have a lot of work I have to get to tonight. 2 videos, 3 videos I have to do tonight. That's gonna suck, but I'll get started on that. So, anything else? Put in chat right now, otherwise we're out of here. I don't know why my nose is running so much today. Alright. Buy your Mega Million ticket tonight? Yeah, why not? I'll buy one, sure. Alright, guys, I think that's it. So, yeah, appreciate everyone. Let's get out of here. Catch you guys tomorrow. Cool. Put that there. Thanks, everyone, for... Oh, let me adjust this. Alright, that's fine. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Oh, wow. One more time with the shades on. Duh. Alright, one more time. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.